Hello again, YouTube, from the engine cave. I have this fixation with the Ford Zetec ST170/SVT engine, and I just want to have the BDA style rocker cover on the ST170 because it just looks way better than the original SVT valve cover. And I'm putting the engine into my Mark 1 Escort, so I needed to look period correct, the engine, when it's in the car. I don't want it to look too modern, so here we are. I've been through this a couple of times before, but now I finally have made some progress with this. So as you can see, the valve cover racer is welded all around the cover, so now I can start cleaning it and grinding the seams away. Let's turn this thing around. It's still a little bit hot, so I'm gonna put my gloves on like so. It's now on a standard Zetec head. I'm just using it as a welding template / jig, so the cover don't warp as much. And yeah, it's now at the point where I can start cleaning and grinding it and getting it to look better. I'm not going to make it look like fabulous. I'm going to make it look good enough that it doesn't stick out from the engine bay like a sore thumb. So now I just need to think about how if I'm going to close that hole. I was thinking about welding it shut, but then I was starting to think about, what if I want to put this on another ST170 engine in the future that doesn't have dry sump? If I blow up the engine and the pump goes broken and everything else goes broken, and I just need to use the valve cover on a more standard engine. So I think I'm going to make a BDA style oil filler cap there and weld it from the other side, so I can get the threads and everything on it, because this is going on a dry sump engine this time, so I don't think I'm going to be needing the filler cap, but I think it's going to look better with the cap than without it. And because I don't need a breather on this, I welded the port shut, and I need to clean that one. And if I want a breather, I'm going to put it in here where it belongs. Yeah, as this is a cover for the original silver top head valve cover, so this is not actually a valve cover, it's just a fake cover for the original. But now I chose to make it like so because it's aluminum and it's weldable, so I raised the cover so much that it'll fit, and modified the front so it'll fit the ST170 head. Now I just need to make a hole for the VVT solenoid so I can get the variable valve timing functioning. And I need to make tubes for this and a cover plate so that the oil don't get into the spark plug valley. I'm going to make tubes that come with O-rings on there, like on the original BDA engine. So mine's going to be a little bit better than the commercial versions. Just need that little bit extra. But yeah, this is how it looks now, and I'll post more videos about this when I get more stuff done. I need to make the dry sump oil pan and stuff yet. An intake manifold for the twin Webers and exhaust manifold for the turbo. The Webers are actually going to be just for show. I'm going to hide the injectors either under the Webers or inside them. I don't know yet. It's going to be a turbo, so. But I want the look of the twin Webers. They look amazing. I've always loved twin Webers, and this car had them one point on its life. So Kent cross-flow engine, twin Webers, big exhaust, BCH 3 cam, and the works. It was pretty fast for what it was, but then I got the turbo bug, and well, you guys know the rest who fiddle with engines. There's not enough power ever. But yeah, if you have any questions, put them down below, and if you want to subscribe, it'll be nice, but it's not mandatory, as you all know. I'm not doing this as a job, it's just a hobby. But yeah, you all stay safe and have a very nice day. Bye.